So here I have this 2019 Cascadia, and today I'm going to show you about the AC. Right now we are in winter and the AC is not necessarily something that you have to use every day, but it still goes bad. As for example, this AC compressor right here went bad, and the reason why it went bad is because it's stuck. It doesn't move. With the engine off, you should be able to rotate the clutch. This right here is the clutch. You should be able to rotate it left and right, but in this case you can see it barely moves because it's stuck inside. So the compressor shaft in here got stuck, and that's the reason. When this happens, you have to replace the AC compressor completely and the AC dryer, because all the debris that the AC compressor release are going to send to the condenser right here, and then I'm going to get a stop over here in the dryer. So this is something short. I just wanted to show you about this. If this happened to your compressor, AC doesn't work suddenly, this is the issue. You have to replace these two things. Hope this is helpful for you. Thank you.